Every night, you look up at the moon, but hardly anyone knows it's actually a grim reminder of an ancient cosmic car crash. A stony scar in the sky, forged from the remains of a dead planet. Over the next 3 minutes, you'll discover an incredible true story. How a young Earth collided with a Mars-sized planet, survived the inferno, and ultimately turned a tragedy into the perfect cradle for life. For decades, scientists couldn't figure out how Earth ended up with such a disproportionately massive moon. Gravity usually captures passing asteroids quite easily. That's exactly what happened with Mars. But that trick doesn't work with our moon. It's simply way too heavy. And when Apollo astronauts brought lunar soil samples back to Earth, the scientific community was stunned. The isotopic composition of lunar rocks turned out to be almost identical to Earth's mantle. How on earth did a massive piece of our own planet end up in orbit? The answer lies 4.5 billion years ago, when the early solar system was a chaotic demolition derby. Right next to us, sharing roughly the same orbit, another protoplanet was forming, Theia, a world about the size of modern Mars. For a time, they coexisted peacefully, but a complex gravitational dance eventually knocked Theia off course. An inevitable collision followed. This wasn't a head-on impact. Theia sideswiped Earth at a blistering speed of 12 kilometers per second. The force of the impact was catastrophic. Here's the most mind-blowing part. Without the tragic death of Theia, we wouldn't be here today. That violent impact permanently altered Earth's fate. First, it knocked our planet's axis to a 23.5-degree tilt. It's thanks to this exact tilt that we have diverse climate zones and gentle changing seasons. Second, the newborn moon acted as a heavy gravitational gyroscope. It stabilized Earth's rotation, preventing our climate from swinging into wild extremes. Meanwhile, its gravitational pull created ocean tides, churning up primeval waters and accelerating the evolution of early life. For a long time, researchers believed Theia was entirely blended into Earth and the Moon. But recently, geophysicists made a shocking discovery. By scanning Earth's interior with seismic waves, they spotted 2 continent-sized blobs of unusually dense rock deep inside the mantle, one beneath Africa and another under the Pacific Ocean. Scientists reached a stunning conclusion. These are the unmelted fragments of ancient Theia's core and mantle. This alien world didn't vanish without a trace. Its remains are resting right now, buried deep beneath our feet. The story of Theia is a powerful reminder of how fragile and magnificent our world really is. Earth didn't just survive an apocalypse. It absorbed its cosmic sibling and repurposed a catastrophic collision to build the ideal sanctuary for humanity. What do you think? Will we ever be able to drill deep enough to touch the ancient remains of Theia inside Earth? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more secrets of the universe. See you in the next one.